Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. Let's see some tiny MCQs on conic section. Conic section. I have selected some MCQs regarding circle, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. Let's see and find out what are they. If the eccentricity, question number 1 reads as, if the eccentricity is 0, then the conic is, every conic is defined through eccentricity. Every conic is defined through eccentricity. If it is parabola, eccentricity is denoted by small letter e. If e is equal to 1, it's parabola. For ellipse, e must be less than 1. For circle, eccentricity is equal to 0. For hyperbola, eccentricity is greater than 1. Eccentricity is greater than 1. Conic can be defined through eccentricity as, if eccentricity is 1, it's parabola. If eccentricity is less than 1, it's ellipse. If eccentricity is less than 0, it's circle. If eccentricity is greater than 1, it's hyperbola. We are asked if the eccentricity is 0. Let's see and find out. Let me write standard equation of ellipse, x square plus y square over b square over a square. Look, it's equation of ellipse. It's equation of ellipse. We have to turn this ellipse into circle. Ellipse into circle. If ellipse is going to be circle, ellipse approaches to circle, then A is equal to B. Then A is equal to B. Length of major and minor axis both are equal. Length of major and minor axis both are equal. And eccentricity of ellipse is given by C over A. C means A square minus B square over A. Now, this is eccentricity for ellipse. Ellipse is going to be circle. Circle means A is equal to B. Utilize A is equal to B here. You are going to get eccentricity is equal to 0. So A square, instead of B, we can write A square over A, means eccentricity is 0. In case of circle, our eccentricity is going to be 0. Or sometime it is asked that under what condition? Under what condition an ellipse will become circle? An ellipse will become circle. An ellipse will become circle. That is the condition. Length of major and minor axes are equal. When A is coincident with B. When A is equal to B. When A is equal to B. I have defined all these. And what is eccentricity? Eccentricity is a ratio, it is a distance from a fixed point to a fixed line. Eccentricity is a ratio, that is a distance from fixed point to a fixed line. Fixed point is known as focus and fixed line is known as directrix. In case of parabola, we have single focus and single directrix. In case of ellipse and hyperbola, we have two foci and two directrices. Okay, the focus of the parabola. Now let's discuss equation of parabola. X square is equal to 4ay or y square is equal to 4ax. That is the standard equation of parabola. That's standard equation of parabola. Either x has a square or y has a square. If x has a square, then focus and directrix belongs to y. Then focus and directrix belongs to y. If y has the square, then focus and directrix belongs to x. So focus and directrix belongs to x. Opposite to the square term. Opposite to the square term, the element lies. The focus is this one. We are asked to find its focus. X square is equal to minus 16y. Whatever is here, it is the length of lattice rectum. If the coefficient of the square term is 1, if the coefficient of the square term is 1, whatever is the coefficient of power 1 term, it is our length of lattice rectum, provided that we have to discard minus, because length is never negative. So compare this 4a with minus 16. So we have a is equal to minus 4. Length of lattice rectum is given by length of lattice rectum, that's mod 4a. Mod 4a, 4 minus 4, that's negative 16. Length of lattice rectum positive. Means we can direct infer that length of lattice rectum is 16. Discard the minus, discard the minus, discard the minus, and we are, that is the length of lattice rectum. We are asked to find its focus. Square in x, square in x, focus and directrix belongs to y. Let's see, let's write this one in standard equation, standard form. X square can be written as x minus 0 whole square minus 16 times y minus 0. Now these are our coordinates of vertex. Vertex of parabola is at origin. First write x, this one, then this. Vertex is at origin. Vertex is at origin, and we have value of a is equal to minus 4. Value of a is minus 4. From vertex we can find focus. Simple equations floated by whom? AUB. Vertex plus A. Vertex plus A. Vertex plus A. Vertex plus A is known as focus. What is our vertex? OO. What is the value of A? That's -4. Now a question arises whether you have to add -4 in both coordinates or in single. In single, opposite to the square term. Square in x, add subtract in y. So we have to add in y. It will become O -4. O -4. That is the focus. That is the focus. And we are asked to find focus. That's our 0 -4. 0 -4D. Let me find directrix as well for you. Directrix means vertex minus A. Directrix L, it's equal to vertex minus A. Vertex is OO. Value of A is -4 minus plus. Same situation here where we have to add square in x, add and subtract in y. So we have to add in y. That's our 0 4. 0 4. Mark my words. Directrix is not a point. Directrix is a line. Directrix is not a point. It is a line. So convert this point into a line. Y is equal to 4 or y -4 is equal to 0. Y -4. That's the equation of directrix. That's the equation of directrix. Bonus tip for you. What about line of symmetry? In that case, line of symmetry or axis of parabola. Line of symmetry or axis of parabola. Take the term square without square. It's equal to 0. X is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means y. X is equal to 0 means y axis is the line of symmetry. Y axis is the line of symmetry. Okay, let me sketch this one. Vertex is at origin and it opens downwards. Y negative downward. That's the case. That is your line of symmetry. That's your line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means y axis. Y axis means x is equal to 0. This is our line of symmetry, and line of symmetry is y axis. Y axis means x is equal to 0. Okay, cool. I have given you the complete explanation for focus, for parabola, how to find focus, how to find directrix, what do you mean by line of symmetry, what do you mean by length of lattice rectum as well. Okay, cool. It's option number D. Question number 3. The lattice rectum and vertex of the parabola. That's the special case of parabola where vertex is not at the origin. Where vertex is not at the origin. Where vertex is not at the origin. Okay, cool. Let me write equation first. MCQ number 3. The lattice rectum y -3 whole square is equal to -8 times x plus 4. We are asked to find lattice rectum and vertex. Lattice rectum and vertex. Compare this situation with y minus k whole square 4 times a x minus h. X minus h. So our vertex is h. Vertex is h. Comparing this is value of this one. So h is equal to -4. Like center of circle, +4 means -4. -3 means +3. That's our vertex. That our vertex. Whatever is present here instead of 4a, that's the length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum means mod 4a. That's value of mod 4a. Minus it, just turn down minus sign. That's length of lattice rectum 8. So -4 3 is vertex and length of lattice rectum is 8. 8 and -4 comma 3. D is the right option. D is the right option in that case. Okay. Next, the equation of the tangent at 4 6 to the parabola. We have given a point. We are asked to find equation of the tangent to the parabola. Equation of tangent to the parabola at the given point. At the given point. Point is MCQ number 4. Equation of tangent. Touching line. Equation of tangent point is 4 6 and our equation of parabola is y square times 9x. Y square is equal to 9 times x. Okay, differentiate 2y into differentiate with respect to x 9 times 1. That is the fourth possibility. When you have given 2 points, you can switch over to how to find slope. M is equal to y2 minus 1 x2 minus x1. From angle we can manage slope. From straight line itself we can manage by minus coefficient of x minus coefficient of y by slope. That is the fourth possibility when either x or y has not power 1, more than power 1 or less than power 1. That is the fourth possibility to find the slope by differentiating. To find dy 9. Okay, solve for dy upon dx. That's 9 over 2. 9 over 2. At 4, 6, that's value of 6. Utilize here. It will become m 9 over 2 times 6. Apply table of 3 2 times. 3 3 is 9, 2 3 is 6. So m is equal to 3 over 4. M is equal to 3 over 4. Now we have slope as well as point. Now we have slope as well as point. When we have slope and a point, it's very easy to write equation of the tangent. Y minus 1 is equal to m times x minus 1. This equation is known as point slope form. Point slope form. Point slope form. That's my value of x1, y1, and that's it. Okay, cool. Y minus 6, 3 over 4, x minus 4. Shift 4 here. 4 times y minus 6, 3x, 3 4 the 12. It will become 4y minus 24, 3x minus 12. Shift them on the right hand side. We have 3x minus 4y plus 24 minus 12. These are the like term, constant plus 24 minus 12. It's 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. That's our option number D. R1 can manage directly by putting the value. This is what I put here. 3, 4, 4 times 6 plus 12. Okay. 12 minus 24 plus 24. 24 minus 24 is equal to 0. 24 minus 24. You can utilize by back solve method. Apply, just put the point in equation. But sometime it is going to be cumbersome because the right option lies far away at the end. To calculate, it's something good as well as conceptual. Okay, cool. Question number 5. Lattice rectum of the ellipse. We have given equation of ellipse. We are asked to find its lattice rectum. Ellipse equation is x square 25 plus y square over 16 is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. That's 16. Okay. Length of lattice rectum of ellipse r hyperbola is given by length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum 2b square over a. That's our value of a square. A square is equal to 25. So a is equal to 5 and b square is equal to 16. So b is equal to 4. That's the length of lattice rectum utilized. 2b square means 4 square over a. 2 times 16 over 5. Sorry, 5. 2 times 16 over 5. 32 over 5. That's the length of lattice rectum. 32 over 5. 32 over 5. Option number B. Option number B. Next, it is asked that find the eccentricity of the ellipse. That's equation of ellipse. X square, y square, both positive, but their coefficients are going to be different. 1 upon 5, 1 upon 4. That's equation of ellipse. If the coefficient of x square, y square is same, then it's case of circle. If both are positive, let's see and find. Question number 6, second last. X square over 5 plus y square over 4 is equal to 1. Find its eccentricity. That's our a square. That's our b square. E is given by c over a. Where according to ellipse c is equal to a square minus b square over a. Okay, cool. Value of a square is 5. Value of b square is 4. We are asked to find a. A square is equal to 5. Then a is root 5. Root 5. So eccentricity is 1 over root 5. That's less than 1 clearly. It's eccentricity of ellipse. Eccentricity of ellipse. Next, how to find center of the ellipse? It's really very easy. Final MCQ, 7th one. X plus 5 whole square over 10 plus y minus 3 whole square over 20 is equal to 1. Whether major axis belong to x axis or y axis, this makes no difference. That is the center. Take this one, positive 5, I have to write minus 5. Like center of circle. Minus 3 means positive 3. That is the center of the ellipse. That is the center of the ellipse. Minus 5 comma 3. C is the right option. It's my tiny effort to you guys to give you good view of the conic section. It's all by itself. Next.